Okay, hello again, welcome back. What I want to look at is finding the area of certain triangles. And all I've done here is to provide you with some information and method of calculations. Okay. Now again here, the area of a triangle, finding the area of a triangle. Okay, again, draw these out for yourself and make sure you carry out the calculations using the formulas given. Okay? And here you have b base times height divided by 2 in this case. Okay? Now again here we're looking at finding the area of a parallelogram. Now again, now remember that this is basically a rectangle slanted. So that's how simply to look at it in this way. Okay? And again, we simply multiply the base by the height. Okay? And that gives us our area. Now the area of a trapezium, okay? And remember, to find the area of a trapezium, find the mean of A and B by adding them together and dividing by 2. Now all I've done here also is to give you an example of this in full. Okay? So let me just pan out a bit so we can get it fully in. Okay? But you can see that here I'm giving you an example. Now again, do the example for yourself. The principle will apply irrespective of what. And all I've done here is 10 plus 5 is 15, and I've proceeded to divide the 15 by 2, which gives me 7.5. Okay? Now the units, if the unit is in centimeters, then put it in centimeters. If it's in millimeters, then you'll need to put it in whatever the units are. Okay? Now here, area of a circle. Okay? And here I've given you an example as well of this. Okay. Again, thank you. I trust you find this information useful. Okay? Bye-bye for now.